lovelies. Oh my gosh, we're gonna be painting today. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to share some really cool things. Our paintings are gonna be impressionist, reflective, and a little bit of Claude Monet and a landscape. Woo! That's a lot. All right, let's start by looking at a little Claude. Wow. There is some of his amazing artwork. These are all landscapes. Not only are they horizontal, so in landscape, a lot of them, some of them are vertical, but some of them are in that landscape shape, but they're about landscapes. They're about the outdoors. Yeah, landscapes are pieces of artwork about the outdoors. These are reflective. Oh my goodness, I can see some beautiful trees up here and then reflection of those trees in the water. In each one of these pieces of artwork, I can see trees and I can see the reflection. Can you? Point to where you see those reflections. Yeah, that's right. That's right there, right on the water. You've got it. Now, what? One of those other words. We said we were going to do something that was landscape, which is outdoors. Reflective, so we're seeing the reflection in the water. Impressionist. That's right. I knew some of you would remember. We've heard that word before. It's not a perfect picture. It's an impression of something. It's kind of like it's an opinion or impression. It's a hint of it. We can't see any of the details perfectly, but we can see an impression of those. The last thing is we're going to paint. All right, so in front of you today, we are going to be making a piece similar to this one. Excuse me. Similar as in it will be close to it, but not exactly the same. Our background will be blue. This background is yellow. I threw another art word in there. Background. That's right. All right, so we're going to get ready. Everybody is going to have a piece of paper that is a folded half piece of that very special art paper. And the first thing we're going to do is paint it all blue. Please dip your paintbrush in the water and then swirl it in circles around that blue cake of paint and paint the whole thing blue. Let me know when you're done. All right, now that we're done with that blue paint, we have to draw our triangles. And if you see, I put the triangles above the folded line. So I started with one triangle of one color. Then I did my second triangle tree, and I added a second color. Then I did a third triangle tree and a third color. And it's good to have this paint a little bit wet. Our fourth color and our fifth color. We're going to take a few minutes and we have to do all of those above the fold line. Okay, as soon as you're ready, let me know. Whoa, those are some good looking trees we have there. Our last little bit of paint is putting a green line across the bottom of our trees right where the fold is. And then carefully we're going to fold that paper up and rub on the back. And then, oh, this is the part that's exciting. It's so exciting. I can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm so excited because now we'll unfold our paper and reveal our beautiful reflection and our painting that is a bit of an impressionist. It's not perfect, but it's a bit of an impressionist painting, just like Monet would have done. It looks pretty good. It looks just like his, I think. I think our artwork is pretty much just like his. And our beautiful colors, and our beautiful blue background, and our kind of blue foreground with our water. All right, my lovelies, I hope you had a wonderful time creating your landscape, an outdoor painting, impressionist, not perfect, just kind of gives us an impression of it, painting. All right, my lovelies, bye. Bye.